Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to see how to create and execute a round-robin rule to assign leads automatically among agents. This helps distribute leads equally, reduce manual effort, and ensure faster follow-ups. What are the rules? Rules help agents and teams perform updates on records without opening each one individually. With rules, you can perform bulk assignments, update fields across multiple records, convert or reassign records based on conditions. Instead of editing records one by one, the system automatically updates all records that meet the rule conditions all at once. Let's create and execute a round-robin rule. In this example, we're creating a rule on the leads panel. The goal is to assign all qualified leads to senior BDR agents in a round-robin fashion who were qualified by the SDR team. To begin, go to Navigation, Site Setup, click on Rules, and click on Add Rule. Here, add a rule name, for example, Qualified Leads Assignment Round Robin. Add a short description such as, Assign qualified leads equally among the sales team. Next, select the module. Here, I am selecting the Sales module. And select the object. Here, I am selecting the Leads object, then click on the Submit button. This opens the rule configuration screen where we configure the flow using nodes. Every rule must have at least one condition and one action. First, add a condition node. Here, the condition node is going to be if exists. Add the label name. I am adding check the status of the lead. And the description is verify the status of the lead to qualify. Since the object is leads, the list name is auto-selected. Now set the condition. Select the field lead status, and the value is qualified. Since the condition is configured now, this ensures the rule applies only to qualified leads. Next, I am choosing the Assign node. This node is responsible for assigning the records. Now I am selecting the Assign node and choosing No in the Sticky Agent option. Then I am adding a People node. Select Users as the People node and choose the users among whom the leads should be distributed. The system will now distribute qualified leads equally among these selected users in a round-robin order. Select the field type as Mobile Number. Once the nodes are connected, click on Save to create the rule. Now, let's execute the rule. Go to the Sales module and open the Leads object. Here, I have already created a filter view for qualified leads. Even if you select all leads, the rule still checks for lead status who are qualified. You'll notice that these qualified leads are currently assigned to agents not included in the rule. Now, select the filtered leads, then click on Rules. An overlay opens. Choose the rule you just created and click on Execute. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the rule has been executed successfully. Now, refresh the filter view. After refreshing, you can clearly see that the qualified leads are reassigned only to the users selected in the rule and distributed equally in round-robin order. Like, the first lead is for the first agent, the second lead is for the second agent, and so on. This confirms that the rule has worked as expected and leads have been distributed equally among the selected agents. Round-robin rules can also be created on the category-based assignment scenarios, such as if city equals Hyderabad, assign to the Hyderabad sales team. If lead source is website, assign to the digital sales team. If the last follow-up date is more than 7 days, reassign in a round-robin fashion among active agents. This way, in different scenarios, you can create and execute the rules while reassigning leads to other users in a round-robin manner. Admins can create these rules and provide execution privileges to specific users. Managers or team leads can then execute the rules whenever they need to redistribute leads or tickets based on defined criteria. This helps ensure fair allocation of records, no unattended leads, better team productivity. That's how you create and execute a round-robin assignment rule in Office 24 by 7. Using rules, you can intelligently distribute records among agents based on any defined condition and adapt quickly to changing business needs. Thank you for watching. Explore more automation and rule-based management features in Office 24 by 7.